So what do we got, bro?
Racing parts Italy, man. Exhaust cutout.
Italian performance on the 60.
That's it, mate.
We're gonna make this thing sound like a truck again.
Hopefully. Hopefully. They're not bad.
Good.
Like, it look. Comes with a V-band.
Yeah.
Comes with a nice little dump. All stainless.
Yeah, how much is it? Like 150 or?
180.
Yeah.
I don't know, you reckon that's gonna hurt my performance, mate?
Ooh. Actually, I reckon after probably a week, that'll fill up with soot.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
It'll just be a nice transition.
I actually think that's quite possible. Switch. Not the best switch.
No.
Is that a remote?
Looks like it.
That would be pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. Yeah, that's exactly the same setup as like the Varix uses.
Yeah?
Different control box, same remote.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, actually, slightly different remote. Very
Standing
similar.
outside, just press it.
Yeah, truck noise. On demand.
I like it.
Oh, at least they've TIG welded it, that's good. Not bad.
From Italy, what'd you expect? 100% guaranteed.
Okay, so we've hatched a plan that sounds pretty good. Hopefully we can see. So basically we're not going to be able to use the whole bit of pipe. So we're going to basically have to cannibalize. We'll take this part back off that they've
welded on
and basically merge that into
the dump pipe.
Yeah, just the start of that bend on the dump. So it'll basically just come straight down, the valve, and then out the bottom. Which will make for nice turbo noises.
We hope.
And also we're putting a new turbo on.
Yep, hopefully it's in better condition. Same turbo, just different. I mean, just new.
Yeah, I'll be interested to see if that actually helps spool. And
the blades look better.
Yeah. We'll definitely take the old one apart and have a look-see inside.
And if that doesn't work, I eventually will put a Mamba GDX 2861 or something on.
Yeah, that should spool up nice and
It just depends when me and Carla bothered to do that.
Yeah.
Let's hope this turbo spools.
Let's do it. It's like saying thanks but no thanks to epman.
Damn those Italian welds.
Alright, so I've finished cutting out this bit of butchery. So that is ready to now scribe on the dump of the 60. And Reese is somewhere. He's been taking off parts, getting ready to take the turbo off.
Oh. V-band off.
Oh, there he is. Oh, this old JB Weld oil drains worked well.
Yeah, she's worked.
Fucking oath.
She's
squeaky clean.
Got the water lines off, got the oil lines off, just got to take the oil drain off. Got most of the bolts out for the dump. Started loosening off the manifold 2 turbo. Oh, apparently we got all the bolts off for the dump. Carl's trying to get it off now.
There's one that's sticking.
Don't make your problems mine. And we could take the dump out with the turbo.
I don't think we can do that, can we?
Pretty sure we could.
Because we, no, because we tried that, didn't we? To put it in with the turbo.
No, we never tried that. What do you got there, mate?
We've got a snail. A slippery sea snail.
A rare
Look at
garden
the fucking... It's got a V-band tail on it, bro.
She's performance, mate.
Pissing.
Nice.
Alright, let's swap turbos.
Swap turbos and... Oh, look at the blades already.
Ugh, they're hating life.
So we're going to pull this turbo apart and see if it's much worse than the other one we got. Got soot?
Fucking oath we do. Holy shit, man. That's crazy. Oh, we know for a fact the gate's definitely shut. Oh shit.
I told you not to touch it.
Holy shit. It's just like really fine charcoal.
It's burning clean.
Yeah.
Burning clean.
Alright guys, so this is how you clock a Evo TD05 turbo, or basically any turbo with a V-band center housing.
Factory using V-bands since 1999.
Yeah. You know what? I reckon these are the best V-bands as well.
You can buy them.
Well, I can't find them.
Just buy
they're called a split V-band, but it's like more solid because when you clamp them, they don't deform.
Yeah.
Around the V's. And like, the best ones I've seen are like the ones they use for like tire wastegates and shit.
Yeah,
they're like a cast metal, so you can't. They don't deform. They always pull the flanges tight. So
look how nice that is. I love turbos. We had some problems with the last one as well.
Knockometer.
Is that what it's called? Ooh.
There's a little locating dowel pin thing here.
I forgot about that. We ground it out.
So we just have to file that down. As you can see, it mounts into there. Yeah, we literally just got to file that down. Then we can put this back on, clock it to where it needs to be. So we'll get the old turbo next to it, and we should be able to get it pretty close by eye.
RTV for the win.
Mate, that's fucking good shit. Look at that. That is how you seal your turbo drain. Don't use those shitty paper gaskets, they're shit. Use RTV, but use it sparingly.
Heard it here first.
Yep. So the real test will be bolting this
bad boy
thing back on.
Exhausting.
Alright guys, so this is the old turbo, the first one that we put on the 60. Hopefully you can see the edge of the impeller blades. There's a fair bit of a gap.
That one's pretty bad there.
They look pretty chewed up, so that can't be
great.
Compressing the air as efficiently as it could be if you compare it to the one that we're putting on, where they're basically touching the housing.
Yeah, it looks 1,000 times better.
Yeah. So I suppose, like you said before, if it's anything off your Evo from the previous owner, it was a rat bag.
Yep, he lied to me.
Yeah, it'll be fucked. So.
Yep.
Turbine looks good, but yeah, that's not compressing the air.
Nah.
Alright.
So.
Fucking definitely been working on a diesel.
No, you haven't been working. We
have scalloped this to nicely fit onto here. Something like that. And we'll just put our valve, was it facing like that?
Something like that.
So it's nice, straight flow, high performance.
All about the performance.
Yeah. So
that's what 60s are about, mate.
That's it. Handling and performance. So we just got to cut that out, grind that ceramic coat back, weld it, re-ceramic it, and so you can see under here we've got it all bolted back up. There's the V-band, and we've got the exhaust cut out here, as you can see. Now it's just a matter of literally wiring this into the cabin through the firewall and connecting it up to 12 volts and ground. Alright, so back into the car, you can see we've got all the wiring run through the firewall. It's just hanging here, we need to tuck that up. But basically, everything's set. We just mounted the box up behind there, and now we just got to tuck that, and we're all ready to go. So you've definitely noticed that the EGTs are a lot lower now.
Oh, a lot lower, and it builds a bit more boost than it did before.
Yeah. This turbo is definitely better though.
100%, man, I can feel it. Like,
yeah.
Like now that I'm going uphill,
yeah, the turbo just seems to spool up and down more. I don't know, more
that
smoothly.
little exhaust leak now.
Yeah. Oh, another day.
It is stupidly loud.
That's how we want it. I'll turn it back off.
No!
So what do you prefer, mate?
What do you think?
Definitely quiet.
Yeah, definitely quiet.
Oh, he's skidding.
Man, the big dog, she skids.
Oh my god, it's so boring now.
Open it back up.
Okay, let's do it. Oh! Way better.
Sounds like a fucking Mack truck.
Yes!